5 skincare and hygiene tips to follow during the coronavirus outbreak. The recent coronavirus outbreak has left us in a state of panic and constant precaution. From your hand to your face, cleaning your skin is by far the best precaution that you can take right now. Maintaining basic hygiene like washing your hands and using hand sanitizers can help prevent the spread of coronavirus. However, there are other skincare and hygiene tips that you should follow to keep COVID-19 at bay. Clean your face. Doctors are reiterating that COVID-19 can enter your body through the mouth, nose, and eyes, and therefore you must refrain from touching your face. Just like your hands, wash your face with a cleanser or use an antibacterial wipe. Replace your hand and body wash. You might be fond of pleasing aromas, but life in the time of coronavirus is very different. Replace your regular hand and body wash with the ones that have antibacterial properties and that can help to get rid of the germs. There are various hand and body washes available in the medical stores. Beard hygiene. Your beard might be part of your face, but that does not mean it does not require extra attention. This is probably the most neglected part of your grooming routine. If you don't use a beard wash, get one right away. Get your hands on good antibacterial beard wash to get rid of the germs. Cut your nails. Nails are the breeding hub of germs. It is important to trim your nails and keep them clean, especially if you have the habit of biting your nails. Even if you don't have the habit of biting your nails, there is no harm in taking extra precautions. Use natural antimicrobials. You might have sensitive skin and using antibacterial products can be harsh on your skin. You can use products with natural ingredients and have antimicrobial properties like tea tree or neem extracts. Remember to use these as an addition and not a replacement for your hygiene products.